Hey everybody, today I'm going to be working on a 2006 Chevy Express. I'm going to show you how to replace the tail light bulb. It's a pretty simple process, should not take too long. All you need is a 10mm socket, which I've got here on my impact. I'm going to remove 3 nuts here. That will allow you to be able to remove this housing, which leaves access to the final 4th nut. Then you can pull this off. It's got just 2 of these turnstile sockets on it. Pull that out, do what you need to do, replace that, turn it back in, and you can throw it back up. I forgot to mention that you have these white sockets on there, or push rivets, whatever you want to call them, that are supposed to fit in there. Mine were broken off, so mine came off very easily. But anyways, don't forget to secure that nut again, line this up, and it should go on just like that. Get your other nuts started here. Once you get that, just finish it out. Don't drop your socket, and you should be good. Sorry I was holding this so close, I don't have a tripod, but hope this helped. Let me know if it did or did not. It should work on a majority of the year models of this style of van. So, appreciate you watching. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.